Hey, it's Joey, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the Mini Action Dashcam by Magnavox. This is the most compact and versatile HD dashcam we've ever carried. Nowadays, it's very important to record video while you're driving at all times. In case there's an incident, you can always go back and review the details of exactly what happened. Now, one of the benefits of recording in 1080p HD resolution is that it allows you to see the finer details of the footage that might not be visible in lower quality dashcams. And since these types of videos often end up in court or being reviewed by your insurance company, it's important to have the best quality footage possible. It's really incredible how they fit this much technology into a 1-inch cube. And the best part is that once you hook it up, it won't take up that much windshield space or obscure your vision while you're driving. The powerful suction cup is super easy to install and also has a lock to keep it extra secure, as well as a 360-degree ball swivel joint that will allow you to record in any angle you need, as well as inside the car. One of my favorite features about this dashcam is that it's so easy to use and I never have to remember to turn it on. All you have to do is plug it in, and as soon as you start your car, it'll automatically turn on and start recording in the default 1080p HD mode. And unlike other dashcams that stop recording when the card is full, this one will automatically overwrite the oldest files stored on your card so it can record indefinitely, so you never have to worry about missing a moment. And just so you can start recording right out of the box, this comes included with an 8GB micro SD card that will hold about an hour of 1080p HD footage. But if you'd like to hold more video, you can always swap the card out with a bigger one or lower the video resolution. For more details on this, please visit our website. Now, you might notice with how compact this camera is that there's not a video viewing screen on it. But the USB power cable does have a video out cable attached to it, which will allow you to plug it into any external monitor, including a TV. Now, we've only scratched the surface of what this camera is capable of, but it can do so much more, like the ability to wear it as a body cam thanks to the handy clip, infrared lights for recording in little to no light, as well as a picture taking mode. You can find a full list of features as well as tips on how to operate the camera on our website. Now, I can't emphasize enough how important it is to have a dash cam like this one, and when you see our price on it, it will make it that much better. Plus, these will make great gifts, so I highly recommend you head on over to the site and pick up yours today.